Hi, I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my review videos. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing, or giving a first impression of this new Linyue seat covers for 2016-2022 model Honda Civic, which is also 10th generation. So, first off, it's already unboxed. This is the Amazon box it came in. Pretty standard. It's also a generic seat cover. So, the fact that I said Linyue probably doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what the brand name is. But the reason that we got these seat covers is because, well, first off, you get seat covers so you can protect your car. And my dad wants to make sure that his car is in pristine condition. So, first let me open this up. The reason that we got these seat covers is so that my dad can preserve the leather seats that he already has installed. And he wants to preserve them because in the future, he's going to pass down the car to me. And he wants to make sure that it stays in pristine condition for me. So first off, this is what all of them look like out of the box. And the thing is, this car already has leather seats on it. But we're getting new leather seat covers just to protect the ones that are already installed. And actually, these seat covers cost about $220 on Amazon. But if you want to get leather seats installed in the car, it would cost around $7,000. So it's actually a really great deal for your wallet. I mean, spending $200 to protect something that's worth $7,000 is pretty worth it. Alright, so first impressions, it looks great. I really like the trim on here, the red and black. Compared to just the black on here, I know some people might like the all black, but I actually like when you have red accents. As for these holes right here, the seats that I currently have, they have holes all around. I actually like it when it's more like flat and solid like this. These holes right here, while the seat cover itself might protect from scratches and cuts, I don't know if these holes right here will protect from liquid damage. They also have a airbag hole right here. And overall, the feeling of the leather is actually pretty similar to the leather seats that we already have installed. So let's get to installation. We're actually going to do installation in a separate video for people who already have the cover and just want to install it. So first off, the front seats have two covers and they both look pretty similar. The only difference is that they have airbags on different sides. So in order to distinguish between which one you're using for the passenger side, it's really important that you make sure that the airbag is on the right side, because if you get in an accident and you don't want the seat cover to be blocking the airbag. So make sure that the pocket is facing the back and then slide it over. And you might want to tilt this to the inside so that you can fit it on. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. Okay, so everything's installed. Let me just make sure that the seatbelt works. Okay. This feels really nice.
Hey, Aiman, what are you doing?
Oh, we're just installing the seat cover for Abba.
Oh, it's looking good.
We're actually finishing up right now.
Oh, okay. All right. I'll leave you to it.
Peace. Okay, so we're actually finishing up right now because all I need to do is take this hook it under the seat, really attach it to anything there because there is no actual like bar. And I remember when we installed the passenger seat, there wasn't anything that we really picked. So just find something that's secure, preferably not the electronics as those can snap, but maybe if you find a strong enough wire you can attach it. But just hook this under so that it pulls down tightly.